here feels like they're working harder than ever, but they're not seeing the results they deserve. When I say working, I don't mean just working like for money, working in your relationship, working out. A lot of people come to me and they've been trying to lose weight, and I've been the same way sometimes, and they think they're doing everything right, but something's missing, something fundamental that would unlock everything else. And once you understand a system that you can use across all three of these tectonic shifts, that's the key. They're seeking fundamental shifts in who they are and how they operate. We're going to take you from mindset shift, from effort-based thinking to energy-based thinking. Then V is for vitality shift, from managing time to amplifying energy. You'll notice a lot of talk about energy, because energy is the thing that's going to drive you and compel you and propel you forward in order to get the results that you want. And then P is prosperity shift, from chasing outcomes to embodying success. You see, success is something you embody, not just something you go toward.